Hello YouTube, going to be testing out this camera I just bought. It's a little dusty. I had it on the shelf for about the past 2 months. Stop, there you go. But most of my videos were done on my phone or with my GoPro. So I'm going to dust this off and test the microphone on this. I'm going to start the car up, do a few revs, and see what y'all think about it. This is just a test. I'll be using this for driving videos when I go to the drag strip and stuff. So let's get to it. I'm going to take it outside, put it behind the car, rev the car a few times to see what it sounds like.